Want to create your very own club in Stumble Guys? Here's how. Start by opening the game and tapping on the clubs icon from the main menu. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option to Create Club. Tap on that. Now you'll need to set up the details. Choose a club name, write a short description, and pick your region so players nearby can find you. You can also set the joining rules. Either make it open for everyone, require approval, or keep it private just for friends. Don't forget to pick a fun logo and tag that stands out. Once you confirm, your club is live, and you can start inviting friends or wait for other players to join. Leading a club means you can build your own community, climb ranks together, and unlock special features. That's it. You've just created a Stumble Guys club. You're watching the RapidGuide channel. Follow for more gaming tutorials.